Have you ever come across an indicator that delivers outstanding results across multiple assets and timeframes? Well, today we might have found one of the best performing indicators we have ever tested on this channel. I'm ATP, and in this episode of our Testing Indicator series, we are going to put the Gaussian Channel to the test. Not only did this indicator show promising results, but in some cases it achieved over 150% profit with a rock-solid equity curve and impressive consistency. We'll break down how the Gaussian channel works, test it across multiple timeframes and assets, and reveal the real performance results after 3000 trades. And trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's get started. Before we begin, I want to give a special thanks to our Discord member who suggested this indicator. Thank you so much for the idea, and now we'll see how it performs in a large-scale backtest. If you'd like to see a special indicator featured in a future episode, drop it in the comments or share it in my free Discord community. The link is in the description. Now let's dive into how the Gaussian channel works. I will be using TradingView, but you can use another platform if you prefer. Firstly, click on Indicators, then search for Gaussian Channel, and you can use this option here. For those unfamiliar, the Gaussian Channel is a trend-following indicator based on the concept of normal distribution, and it creates a dynamic channel around price action, helping traders identify high-probability entries and trend reversals. This chart indicator consists of one middle line, called the filter, and two bands, the high and low two range lines. In short, when the filter line changes from red to green, it means it can be a good time to take a long position, and the opposite is valid for short positions. Regarding the settings, I will use the default ones, but I will also use the reduced lag mode, which will help us to enter in profitable trades as early as possible. If you struggle to spot the entry signals, you can use my custom version of the Gaussian channel. It marks the exact entry points directly on the chart, making it easier to trade. Although this version isn't published on TradingView, you can download it for free. Simply join my Discord community using the link in the description, head over to the free materials channel, and there you will find the code. Now that we know how the indicator works, having a fast and reliable trading computer setup is just as important as the strategy itself. If you have ever wondered what makes a high-performance trading computer, my friend Eddie Z from AZ Trading Computers put together a free guide that explains it all. Simple, practical tips to help you optimize your trading workspace for smoother execution and better efficiency. It covers what to look for in a trading computer, how to avoid slippage caused by slow execution, and why standard PCs might be costing you money in missed opportunities. Even if you are not thinking about upgrading right now, it's packed with useful insights that can help you optimize your current setup. You can download it for free by clicking the link in the description, and I highly recommend giving it a read. Now it's time to backtest it. As usual, we'll define three key components for this: the technical system, the risk management rules, and the testing conditions. The technical system will include using the Gaussian channel with a 200 period exponential moving average that will act as a baseline to make sure we only enter in positions that align with the prevailing market trend. Here we have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here we have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. For the risk management, I advise you to use the ATR bands indicator, this one here, this time with a multiplier of 3, a special indicator that places the stop losses on your charts according to the market's volatility. The lower band is used to set the stop losses for long positions, like in this trade, and the upper band is used to set the stop losses for short positions, as you can see. Then, for the take profits, I will close 50% of the trade once the 1-to-1 level is reached and place my stop loss on the entry point. Then I will stay on the trade until an opposite signal appears, like in this trade. This ensures that we lock in profits early while also letting winning trades run, which could significantly boost our overall profitability. As for the testing conditions, we'll backtest the Gaussian channel on 4 different time frames: on the 5-minute for scalping, 30 minutes for day trading, 1 hour for swing trading, and daily time frame for position trading, using data from March 2023 until March 2025 across a diverse asset portfolio, including Bitcoin, Euro USD, gold, the S&P 500 index, and the Apple stock. And now, with everything set, let's dive into the backtesting process. Backtesting thousands of trades manually takes a huge amount of time, and so, to speed up the process and eliminate human bias, I will be using my indicators testing bot, which automates the entire backtesting workflow, allowing for fast and accurate results. This tool has already helped over 200 traders refine their strategies more efficiently. If you'd like to understand how it works, I've put together a free user guide with step-by-step instructions, examples and visuals. You can download it directly from my website at algotradepro.com, completely free. Now that everything is set, I will run the backtest for this Gaussian channel strategy. Once the bot applies all the rules, it will not only plot the trades on the chart and display the assets results in the Strategy Tester tab, but by clicking on the List of Trades button, I can download all the trades. I will do this for all 5 assets and 4 time frames, and then compile a complete trading journal from all the assets together. I will see you in a few seconds.
A few minutes later.
After analyzing almost 3,000 trades, the Gaussian channel delivered exceptional results, especially for day and swing trading. But let's break down its performance across different time frames. In the 5-minute one, the Gaussian channel struggled with a 43.34% win rate across 1,000 trades and a 90% total loss. The equity curve showed a strong downward trend, proving that this indicator is not effective for scalping. Then, in the 30-minute time frame, the results were outstanding, achieving a 47.46% win rate and generating over 150% profit across more than 1,100 trades. The equity curve was highly consistent and all 5 assets tested were profitable, with gold leading the way, posting a 65% gain. The profit factor of 1.16 and controlled drawdowns suggests this is an excellent time frame for this strategy. Next, the 1-hour time frame produced similar results to the 30-minute, with over 600 trades, a win rate close to 50% and a profit above 150%. The profit factor and drawdown metrics improved, and the equity curve remained stable with strong growth. This time, Bitcoin was the best performing asset, delivering the highest returns. Finally, on the daily time frame, the results were also positive, with a 50% win rate and a 20% total profit. Overall, while the Gaussian channel struggled in scalping, it was highly efficient in day and swing trading, producing one of the best equity curves we have seen on the channel. And remember, we only used a single indicator and a baseline, meaning there is plenty of room to refine and optimize this strategy by adding filters, exit conditions, and volume indicators. If you'd like to see an optimized strategy using the Gaussian channel, let me know in the comments. After evaluating the Gaussian channel alongside other indicators in this series, I have decided to place it in the top 3 on our rankings table. While its win rate was slightly lower than some of the top performing indicators, the profitability per trade was significantly higher. Compared to other indicators at the top of the table, the Gaussian channel achieved higher total profits with fewer trades, making it one of the most efficient tools we have tested so far. Of course, win rate is also an important factor, so I would love to hear your opinions. Do you agree with this ranking? Let me know in the comments or share your opinion in our free Discord community. This updated table is available for free on my website, where you can explore all previously tested indicators in detail. Simply click on the free content section, scroll down and check it out. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.